He has been called the father of the abortion movement. Bill Baird's crusade began in the early 1960s, promoting contraceptives for women at a time when they were illegal in 25 states, and the Catholic Church condemned abortion.
And therefore the church is in no position to say to other people, we are immoral because we believe in abortion.
Between 1965 and 1972, Bill Baird was arrested and jailed in 5 states, including Massachusetts. In 1967, Baird was arrested there after a speech at Boston University for displaying abortion devices and giving birth control to an unmarried woman.
2,500 people, according to the Boston Globe, who were there waiting for me, including, which I did not expect, over a dozen police officers in uniform. I was convicted, put in a place called Charles Street Jail, 150 years old, a living hell, rats in my cell, bugs in my food, beatings, still scarred to this day. But finally, I worked my way up, head into the U.S. Supreme Court, and the whole story changed.
Bill Baird was the plaintiff in 3 cases before the Supreme Court, including one that pushed for unmarried women to have access to contraception. A previous court ruling had only allowed married women access. Baird won all 3 cases, and they became the basis for the Roe v. Wade decision to legalize abortion. In 1972, the Supreme Court issued its landmark decision in the case of Baird v. Eisenstadt.
On March 22nd, we heard the Supreme Court say these powerful words: if the right of privacy means anything, it is a right of the individual to be free, to decide what to bear or beget a child. That was the first time in the history of our nation that we found that unmarried women had the right to birth control.
But in 1979, a man set fire to Bill Baird's birth control clinic in Hempstead, New York.
He said, "Nobody move. This place is going up." And he threw the gasoline against the wall and threw the torch, and before anyone could move. And the place was involved in flames and actually burned down.
A draft opinion of a Supreme Court decision leaked to the press in May revealed a majority of the justices supported reversing abortion rights. Bill Baird says it's an attack against reproductive rights.
That's an absolute declaration of war against women. I think it's an outrage.
Bill Baird celebrated his 90th birthday this week, but a Supreme Court decision reversing Roe v. Wade will leave him little to celebrate, knowing his previous court battles may not have been enough to assure reproductive health care for women in America. Frank Ucciardo, TRT World, New York.